Hey guys, just a quick video today. We really enjoyed Goodwood Revival this year and certainly are planning our trip there next year already. Certainly a lot more forward planning going on this year. One of the things we decided to do is you can actually join the Goodwood Road and Racing Club as what they call a fellow member. £79 for the year, and what that gives you is 10% discount off Goodwood Revival and Festival of Speed tickets, plus some other benefits and access to areas. It's one of the things we found on the day. You couldn't get into certain areas as a general member of the public, but you can as a GRRC member. So we thought, well, worth investing in the £79. The website wasn't actually very clear in terms of what you actually got as part of the pack, so I thought I'd do an unboxing for you today so you can see what you get when you join membership at Goodwood. Okay, so here we have the GRRC, Goodwood Road and Racing Club membership pack. Came in a really nice package box externally, and inside you open it up and find this very period brown cardboard box with the GRRC logo on the front of it. So let's dive in and see what we've got inside there. So when you open it up, really nice inside, traditional British racing green colour internally. We've got the GRRC pin badge, which you can wear at the events. Again, you access to certain areas which general public don't get access to. A nice welcome letter in here. Obviously, one of the things with the GRRC fellowship membership is it puts you on the waiting list for main membership at Goodwood, but certainly gives some reasonable perks, some of which I don't even know until we look into some of this, but talking about some of the events they have over the year. There's an almanac in there, which basically is a really nice publication by the looks of it, talking about the various things that have gone on at Goodwood. Really nice picture of Sterling Moss there, signing autographs, some history on some of the cars that have competed, talking about the racing at Goodwood and how it actually started. So some great information there, some of the events, some of the things that have happened over the years. Really nice quality production. What have we got here? So this is the benefits of fellowship, which they outline hopefully in this document. So some of the things that we knew about in there: 10% discount on 2 admission tickets and grandstand passes to Festival of Speed and Revival, plus early access. So this is great. You get a week before the general tickets go on sale to the public, you can get your tickets. You can get Festival of Speed pit stop enclosure access, which is really nice, another perk of this. Early entrance to the Revival site an hour before the public, so get in before the rushes, which is absolutely great. An exclusive access to spectate at competitor test days ahead of meetings. So a number of other things you can get access to. You can go to the AGM, you can go to the summer ball in there and buy tickets for that. So some really good stuff in there, plus some offers. I've already had some emails through inviting me to put my car forwards for one of the events there. So real perks of membership. And if you think of the price of Goodwood tickets, it's £79 to join GRRC as a fellow. Get 10% discount off the tickets, so you're already part-way funded towards it. Some further stuff in here. A number of what appear to be car windscreen stickers. So a GRRC fellowship sticker to go on your windscreen to show you're a member of the club. This one, pretty obvious, a Festival of Speed sticker, again to go on your windscreen. What else have we got here? So I'm pretty sure this one will be a Goodwood Revival one. So let's open this one up and have a look. There we go. Really nice Goodwood Revival sticker to go on the screen of your car and show that you've been there and participated. And then the final one, we can open that one up. A sticker for the 81st members meeting. So some really nice stuff in there, and certainly gives you some other perks in terms of actually attending the events and getting discounts on there. So there you go. That's what you get when you join as a fellow of Goodwood, and we look forward to seeing Revival next year.